Alright guys, aspiring meteorologist Aiden Patterson here, and today is Wednesday, March 24th, 2020 at 6:24 p.m. And we now have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect, so until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Texas counties. So yeah, it's pretty much also includes the 80% chance of watch issuance. So the counties that are under the severe thunderstorm watch, number 48, Camp, Collin, Cook, Dallas, Delta, Denton, Fannin, Franklin, Grayson, Lamar, Hopkins, Hunt, Lamar, Morris, Parker, Rains, Red River, Rockwall, Smith, Tarrant, Titus, Upshur, Wise, and Wood. You guys are under a severe thunderstorm watch, number 48, in effect until 10 p.m. this Central Daylight Time this evening. So be careful and stay tuned for possible warnings.